Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we will show you how the logevent and the regexp modules work. First, we will explain what the logevent module is and how it works, and then we will do the same with the regexp module. The logevent module is exclusive to Windows systems, and it allows obtaining information from Windows event log based on the indicated patterns, allowing filtering based on the source and the type of event. This module can be run both in the data server and in the agent plugins section to be used by the log collector. The only thing that would have to change would be the type of module, being async_string if you use it as a data module, and type log if you use it as an agent plugin. If you're not sure about which event you want to monitor, access your Windows system and go to the event viewer. Here, click on Windows Logs and choose the section that you want to monitor. You may monitor an entire section, such as System for example, or a specific event of this same section. Let's see how it would be done with a specific event. For that, click on System and click on the appropriate event. From this information box, you may write down the identifying number of the event and the level, to later apply it in your module. Now that you have that data, go to your Windows agent in Pandora FMS console. Click on Agent Plugins, enable the Advanced token and define a module with the parameters you took note of in the previous step. Click Add and the module will be created. You just need to wait for the agent to restart and run it. Once it's been restarted, the new source that you define as the name of the module will appear, and you will be able to check the information easily using all the filtering options provided by the log viewer. Now we move on to the regexp module. This module monitors a log file looking for matches using regular expressions, discarding the existing lines when starting the monitoring. Like the other Windows modules, you may configure this module as a log type to see its content through an ElasticSearch server or as a data module, as an async_string type. We're going to configure the module to show us the contents of the Windows agent log, which we will filter through a regular expression to choose its content. For that, go to the Windows agent to the Agent Plugins section. Here, configure the module as a log type, adding the path where your log is located. In this case, the path of Pandora FMS agent log. We also add the regular expression that we will use to filter the log lines where an error appears or any other information that interests us. Additionally, you may add the no-secret parameter if you want the modification check to restart at each execution but without looking for the end of the file. Once you have it configured, wait for the agent to restart and create the new source for this module. Go to Monitoring Log Viewer, select your Windows agent, and as you may see, another source will have been created for you. Select it and click Search. As you may see, only the lines that contain an error are filtered. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you in social media and in future learning videos.